Most people know they need life insurance. They just keep putting it off because the process feels complicated. Too many options, too many forms, too much fine print. And every month you delay, you are either paying more when you finally do buy or leaving your family without cover in the meantime. Buying life insurance in India is simpler than it looks. There are 6 steps. We will make you go through them in order, and you will have an active policy. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurer. You pay a premium, and the insurer pays your family a sum of money if you pass away during the policy term. The regulator for all life insurance in India is IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Every insurer selling life insurance is registered with and regulated by IRDAI. The main types are term insurance, endowment plans, ULIPs, and pension plans. Your goal decides which type you need. If protection is the only job you need the plan to do, term insurance is the answer. You pay for a fixed number of years, your family is covered for the entire period, and the premium is the lowest of any plan type because there is no savings component involved. If you want your premium to do double duty, an endowment plan adds a savings layer on the top of the cover. You pay more each month, but at the end of the term, you receive a guaranteed payout. The trade-off is simple: higher premium, but something comes back to you. If your goal is long-term wealth alongside cover, a ULIP gives your money a third job. Part of the premium covers your life. The rest goes into funds you choose, equity, debt, or a mix, and grows over time based on how those funds perform. If your goal is to develop a retirement fund, a pension plan builds a retirement corpus and pays you a regular income after you retire or stop working. If you are unsure, term insurance is the right starting point for most first-time buyers. It gives your family the largest possible protection at the lowest premium while you figure out the rest of your financial plans. The cover amount is what your family receives if you pass away. It needs to be enough to replace your income, clear your loans, and fund your family's future goals. Getting this number right is one of the most important things you will do in this process. A common starting point is 10 to 15 times your annual income. If you earn 8 lakh rupees per year, your cover should be at least at 80 lakhs to 1.2 crores. That alone is not enough for most people. Add any outstanding loans on the top of that: a home loan, a car loan, any personal loans. Your family should not have to sell assets or struggle with EMIs in your absence. Then add the amount your family will need for future goals like your children's education or your spouse's long-term financial needs. When you add all three together, income replacement plus loan clearance plus future goals, you get a cover amount that actually does its job. A cover that only replaces a year or two of income is not real protection. Have these ready before you fill out any application. Identity proof, such as your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or passport, address proof, age proof, income proof for salaried applicants. This means your last 3 months' salary slip, last 6 months' bank statements, and your Form 16 or income tax returns. For self-employed applicants, 2 to 3 years of filed income tax return work as proof of income, a passport-sized photograph, and your nominee's details, including their name, date of birth, address, and relationship to you. Having all of this ready before you start the application makes the whole process significantly faster. You can buy online directly on the insurer's website or offline through an agent or branch. Online is generally faster and often cheaper because there is no agent commissions built in. You can compare plans and complete the entire process from home. The application will ask for your personal details, occupation, income, health history, and lifestyle information, including whether you smoke. Answer every question honestly and completely. This matters more than most people realize. Life insurance is a contract based on trust. The insurer prices your premium based on information you provide. If you hide a health condition or give incorrect information and your family later files a claim, the insurer can reject it on grounds of non-disclosure. That is the worst possible outcome. You paid premiums for years and your family gets nothing when they need it most. The best protection is honest disclosure from the start. Depending on your age, cover amount, and health profile, the insurer may ask for a medical examination before issuing the policy. This is standard. Do not be concerned if it is requested. Most plans let you pay yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Some plans offer a limited pay options where you finish paying a fewer years but stay covered for the full policy term. Choose a frequency that fits your cash flow. Annual payments are often the most cost efficient. Pay the first premium to activate the policy. Once paid, the insurer issues the policy documents. Keep it somewhere safe and share the details with your nominee so they know it exists. Every life insurance policy in India comes with a 30-day free look period from the date you receive the policy document. During this window, you can review everything and return the policy if it does not match what you expected. The insurer will refund your premium after deducting a small processing charge. Once you are satisfied, confirm that your nominee's details are correct in the document. Your nominee is the person who will receive the claim amount if you pass away. Make sure they know the policy exists, where the document is kept, and how to contact the insurer. Many families miss out on valid claims simply because they did not know the policy was there. Do not let that happen. Keep your nominee details updated as your life changes. If you get married, have children, or lose a family member, update your nominee accordingly. Most insurers allow this with a simple written request. After that, keep paying your premiums on time. A lapsed policy provides no cover. Set up an auto payment and standing instructions so you never miss a due date. ABSLI offers life insurance plans across the categories including term, savings, ULIP, and pension. You can compare plans, get a quote, and buy online at the link in the description. Before I wrap up, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about buying life insurance in India. What documents do I need to buy life insurance in India? Identity proof such as Aadhaar and PAN, address proof, age proof, income proof including salary slips and bank statements, or ITR for self-employed applicants, a passport-sized photograph, and your nominee's details. Is it better to buy life insurance online or through an agent? Online is generally faster and often cheaper because there is no agent commissions. You can compare plans and complete the full process from home. An agent may be helpful if your situation is complex or you want personal guidance. What is the free look period in life insurance? Every life insurance policy in India comes with a 30-day free look period from the date you receive the policy document. If you're not satisfied, return it within this window and receive a refund minus a small processing charge. Most people put off buying life insurance because the process feels complicated. It is not. 6 steps and you are covered. Hit like if this cleared it up and subscribe for what comes next.